Hello boys and girls, today we are going to be going over some subtraction. Remember that subtraction means we are going to be taking away, or it means minus. All you're going to need today is some counters. They can be anything in your house, but just make sure that you have 10 of them. Can we quickly count and make sure that I have 10 blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you remember what the minus sign looks like? Our minus sign is just like this. And remember, minus means that we are going to be taking away. So our answer is going to be smaller than the beginning number. Okay, boys and girls, before we start, remember you just need counters and you're going to put your counters down when I do. You don't need to write anything. You're just using your counters. So for our first story sum, there are 6 dogs in the park. What do you think we need to do now? We need to put 6 counters out. So let's put our counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But all of a sudden there was a very loud noise and 2 dogs ran away from the park. How many dogs are left in the park? What must I do now? How many counters do I need to take away? We need to take 2 counters away. So let's do that. 1, 2. Let's count how many counters are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 counters left. So that means there were 4 dogs left in the park. For our second story sum, I have a packet of sweets and there are 8 sweets inside. What must I do now? That's right, I must put 8 counters out. So let's put them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I decide to eat 4 of my sweets. What must I do now, boys and girls? We need to take 4 counters away. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many counters are left? There, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 counters left. So my answer is 4. Let's read the story sum together. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Well done, boys and girls. We're going to do another sum now. For our next story sum, boys and girls, there are 10 cookies in the cookie jar. Now, what must I do first? That's right, we need to put 10 counters out. So let's put our 10 counters out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And my family had 5 of those cookies. So they ate 5 cookies. What must we do next? That's all right. Let's take 5 counters away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now to get our answer, we need to count the counters that are still there. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. There were 5 cookies left. Let's read the story sum. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Well done, boys and girls. For the next story sum, you're going to put the counters out first, and then I'm going to do it. Now remember, boys and girls, you're going to put the counters down first. I'm just going to write the sum, and then I'm going to put the counters down. So I'm going to give you a chance to do it by yourself, and then we're going to check together. So our story sum, there are 7 birds sitting on the jungle gym. Now, boys and girls, what must you do first? And then 4 birds flew away. So, how many counters do you have out? You need to have 7. So let's put our 7 counters out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 birds flew away. So how many counters did you have to take away? We had to take 4 away. So let's take the 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many were left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There were 3 left. Well done, boys and girls. We're going to do the same one more time. And boys and girls, for our last story sum, you're going to put the counters out again by yourself, and only after we've got the answer am I going to put counters down. So for our last story sum, I have 10 colors, but I accidentally lost 6 of them. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to put your counters down and to take away. So I had 10 colors and I accidentally lost 6 of them. That means I only have 4 left. So I'm going to put the counters down and now you can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our 10 counters down. How many did you take away? You took 6 away, so let's take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there were 4 counters left. Let's quickly read the story sum together. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Well done, boys and girls. Remember to keep practicing this. Bye.